अच्छा, आसिफ साहब ने चूँकि अभी रवाना होना है तो उनको कमेंट्स के लिए मैं दावत दूंगा, फिर हम वीडियो प्ले करते हैं। मीनवाल में फिर सेक्रेटरी साहब तशरीफ़ लेंगे तो उनके कंक्लूडिंग रिमार्क्स पे फिर हम ख़त्म कर देंगे। ये 1.5-2 घंटे की वीडियो है तो सारी तो हम नहीं देख सकेंगे, बट जितनी देर भी जितना भी हम एंजॉय कर सकें उतना हमारे लिए बेहतर होगा। तो आसिफ साहब को मैं दावत दूँगा।
Assalamu alaikum. Well, firstly pardon me for my bilingual address. मेरी आदत है ये कि कुछ अंग्रेज़ी कुछ उर्दू को मिला जुला के बोलता हूँ। During my 40 years now in the services of as a banker and as an auditor in this club and somewhere else, I have not experienced such a phenomenal contribution by HR manager. Maybe I'm yet to see, but I am telling my own experience. During these 40 years, I've been serving such a big international bank like United Bank. Many courses were attended by me, and many training and sessions were conducted. I attended, and also in this club sometime before Dr. Sab joined here. It's a phenomenal effort by Dr. Naeem, and I'm very pleased that the way he's putting up his caliber and his skills and his knowledge and his everything that he's accumulating, and this is for all you people. You must take cognizance of this, and you must appreciate not only in the form of telling him कि Dr. Sahab well done. No, he should, whatever he is doing it for you should be reflected in your work. Should be reflected in your work, which comes before me, which goes to the secretary as well, and it should be appreciated in that way through your work. And it is a phenomenon. I mean, his effort should not be wasted. And about my remarks, everybody has spoken well, and according to his knowledge, Mubin's stress was on the example. I mean, it is the best form of leading from the front. Leading from the front was his topic, and it is the leader's first quality. Leader पीछे बैठ के सामने आगे कर दे तो वो leader नहीं होता. So he was good. Hassan's honesty emphasis was reflected earlier, in which I myself has not learned so far till I heard it from him. Which was that? ये कह देते ना हम लोग कि ये हराम की खा के इसलिए औलाद को आया है, ये करता था तो उसके बदले में ये मिला है. वो ठीक है अपनी जगह सारी चीज़ें, but the scientific reason which I only got it today. I mean, I've admitted very frankly, and that scientific reason मुझे instantly अपील किया कि यही रीज़न हो सकता है. वरना एक को अल्लाह एक को नवाज देता है जी, उसकी मर्ज़ी उसको नवाज दिया. वो क्यों नवाजा जी? वो बड़े अच्छे काम करता था भाई. उसी तरह के अच्छे काम तो वो अब्दुल कादिर भी करता था, उसको तो बड़ी आजमाइश में डाला हुआ है. सेम दो किस्म के लोग हैं एग्जैक्टली, मगर एक सफ़र कर रहा है, एक सफ़र नहीं कर रहा है. एक को जब, और एक है कि बहुत बुरा है और उसको कोई सारा कुछ मिला हुआ है, और इसी तरह का दूसरा बुरा आदमी है, उसको सज़ा मिली हुई है. सो लोग उसको जस्टिफाई कर देते हैं. Secretary Sahab is welcome. So today was the scientific explanation given by doctor, and after a great research he must have done that. So that point, that ये कैसा क्यों होता है, is what you do in your livelihood. आप livelihood को if you हराम बनाएंगे तो उसका असर में जो चीज़ें जा रही हैं, जो आपके पेट में या आपके असरात आपके जहन पे, ये डेफिनेटली आपके जो रिप्रोडक्शन है, जो आपकी औलाद है, इस पर असर करेगी केमिकली. And this is the first time in my life I really appreciate that it was an addition into my knowledge. And till then it was only theocracy, जिसे कहते हैं ना, वो नॉलेज ऐसी है कि भाई अल्लाह ऐसा ही करता है, इस तरह उसके बदले में दिया, उसको बदले में दिया, उसको इसलिए. No, scientific reason was given and it appealed to me a lot. ये सारे पॉइंट्स हैं. Naveed's character's importance was also very, very emphatic. So I appreciate that. Having paid tributes to our HR, Dr. Naeem, I again insist that you must not pay him compliments only in the form of words or clapping or appreciation. You must do what he has done for you. That should be reflected in your efforts. Otherwise, all this exercise, यहाँ से निकल के बाहर वो हो गया, काम ख़त्म हो गया. That should be the appreciation to him. I mean, I applaud to him and applaud to all of you that who take interest, and your interest shows that you will do it, inshallah.
He passed his porch where some people on the porch talking. There was a dog moaning and groaning, and he was curious why the dog